hello guys welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be looking at something important. And what if I told you that there's a way you can make money in crypto marketing, in crypto trading, without waiting for a price to pump, or without having a sleepless night? Okay, so this is where this comes in. It's called a crypto arbitrage. The arbitrage is what we are going to look out for today. And for the newbies, maybe you'll be wondering what arbitrage is. Arbitrage is like an act of buying from one particular exchange with a low price and sell it at another particular exchange in a high price. Maybe you buy it with like 50 USD and sell it at 100 USDT. You can see. Or in a layman explanation, it's an act of buying a soap from one particular market, maybe from Lagos, and bring that same soap to Abuja to sell it. Maybe you purchase this soap from Lagos at maybe 100 naira, and you're selling it in Abuja at 200 naira. This is simply what arbitrage is: an act of buying from a particular place at a low price and selling it in another place at a high price. Okay. So before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like our videos, and as well share our videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. And if you are returning viewers and you are like yet to subscribe, please do to subscribe, like our videos, and as well share our videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, so the next question that may come to your mind is, where exactly can you find this crypto arbitrage? This is where Coinmarketcap comes in. So Coinmarketcap is one of the most widely used exchange in the world today. Okay, fully trusted and also reliable. Okay, it's fully trusted and reliable. So we're going to use this Coinmarketcap for this very arbitrage tutorial. So let's quickly check that. So for the sake of the newbies, all you just need to do is to go to your Play Store. If you go to your Play Store, you're gonna go into search for this Coinmarketcap. So if you search for it, you can see this is exactly how it is. Okay, this is the logo. You can just come to this place to download it. Here it's going to show you install. Mine's already installed, but it needs an updating, which is why it's showing me update. Okay, so and one of the most fascinating thing about this Coinmarketcap is that you can start up today, because there are a lot of opportunity here right now that you can look out to and make profit for yourself. Okay, there are some of these you can still come to this place to look at its market cap. Its market cap and its prices. Okay, you see its price, see its market cap, and you can see its 24 hours changes. Okay, so I'm going to look at all these. You can see this is the market cap, as I said. Okay, and this is the 24 hours changes, as I said. Right, so let's quickly dive into it to see some of these opportunities we can hunt out and have. So the next thing you would like to do is to look for any coins here that actually works for you. Okay, because there are a lot of coins here. And there are a lot of these coins here. You can look for any of those coins that work for you. Okay, so I've checked on WCT. Okay, let me look further. You can look at any of those coins that work for you. Maybe I should look at Doge. So if you click on any coin of your choice, the next thing that you just need to do is to navigate yourself to the market section. Okay, which we're going to do right now. Navigate yourself to here, which is the market sessions. If you come to the market section, you're going to look at all those exchanges and its coins and its liquidity, and also its 24 hours volume turnover. Okay, So looking at this place, you can see this is the the Dodge that actually brought us here. You can see it's liquidity based on exchanges, and here you can see it's 24 hours volume. Okay, you can see all those volumes have been very high, 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 and high. Okay, so now you look at from this Dodge, look at it from the perspective of this Dodge. You can see where Dodge is, how much Dodge is being sold on Binance. You can see Dodge is being sold at 0.1540 on Binance. So let's look at if there is any other place we can get advantage from it and see what exactly we can make from it. Okay, so coming to looking at the Dodge from the Binance, you can see it's been sold at what? It's been sold at 0.1540. Okay, looking at the same Dodge on Bybit, it's been sold at what? At 0.1536. Okay, they say a 4 cent lesser there than the Binance. So what you just need to do here is, see, the profit is not that much, but it's going to be like rational. Okay, so all you're just going to do now is that you're going to buy from this Bybit, and also and sell it at what? At And sell it at this rate on Binance. All right, so we're going to navigate ourselves to to Bybit in order for us to what? In order for us to secure to buy this Doge coin at this very rate, which is this. Okay, and again, one thing you must understand is that you must have to look at everywhere. Don't exactly follow mine. You can look at everywhere. You can look at it at Upbit. At Upbit is being sold at what? At 0.1574. You can see this same coin being sold in other exchanges at maybe $1, 1.5, and always remember that that one is a what? Is a red flag. Okay, so do not be lured into fraud because of a huge profit. Anyway, you see huge profit when it has to do with arbitrage is a what? Is a red flag. Okay, and so looking at it from the Upbit, okay, you can also take a look at it from the OKX, and anyone, just make your choice. Okay, and one of the most less place you can buy here is from the Upbit. Okay, it's from the Upbit. So forget that the profit is very small, but one of the most fascinating thing here is that you can buy it, you can do it multiple times. Okay, you can do multiple times. So what we just need to do now is to quickly go to where we're going to buy it from. We have agreed to buy it from Bybit. Okay, I've agreed to buy it from Bybit. So we're gonna go into buy it from Bybit. But all you just need to do to make a reasonable profit is for you to have a rational capital, like this, a huge capital. Okay, because doing this with a small capital is not going to actually pay you. Okay, so you're gonna going to buy it from you're gonna going to buy it with a huge capital. So let's quickly dive into Bybit, and let's see how it works over there. So let's go there. So, and one thing about those coins is that the price are actually fluctuating, but this is one of the major way you can use to buy and sell at a low price and sell at a high price. Okay, so if you get to look at that, and you go to that particular exchange and the prices are actually fluctuating, or the prices are moving very fast, you can also look for another coins to make use of it. Okay, you actually look for another coins to make use of it. All right, so for example, again we're going to look at this one particular coin of this. Let me take a look at it. Okay, so you can just take a look at it in order for you to what? To make a choice of your coin. Okay, it can be any coin. You can take any coin of your choice as long as they are available in any of those exchanges. Maybe we can look at this Shay coin. This Shay coin, the moment you come to this place, what I told you earlier is that you should go to your market so they can see how exactly they are doing there. You can see Shay slash USDT on what? on Binance is 0.1490. Okay, you can see that same share on Bybit 0.1488. You can see that same share on Coinbase, same share on Upbit. Upbit is one of those places you can always buy from. You can always buy from because their prices are like users friendly. So the important thing you just need to do here is to like buy from here, because this is a low place. You can buy from this Upbit and take it to like Binance to sell, or you can also take it to Bybit to sell. Okay, sorry, you can buy from those places, from Bybit or from Binance to sell on Upbit. Sorry. Okay, you can buy from those places up there, buy from here, and sell it here, because this is the only high price here now, because this one is 0.15 and this one's are 0.488 and this one is 0.490. Okay, so you make your choice from where actually you're going to buy it from, and look at where you're going to sell. You can as well come to budget to sell, because the price also is also nice there. You can come to budget to sell. Okay, but the most advisable place you can sell here is on Upbit. So all you just need to do is to download this Upbit. If you don't have it, make it verify your accounts, and start making a position profit for yourself. All right, so this like brings me to the end of this very video. But before I go, we can still go to some of those exchanges to take a look at those things if they are doing well. You can look at our share here. Okay, look at share slash USDT here. What is it showing here? 492 on Binance. Okay, let's go to Bybit and see. Sorry, let's go to Bybit. Let's go to Bybit and see how much is she doing. Okay, 492 as well. You can see, so you can buy it from those exchanges and take it to like Upbit to sell, because Upbit is buying at what? Because Upbit is buying at 0.15. Okay, so this is an arbitrage you must do, and it's very simple and easy. All you just need to do is to be smart while doing it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.